Are you looking for a one-stop machinery solution to enhance production efficiency and product quality? ASEANMACHINE, the leading machinery supply platform in Southeast Asia. One-stop procurement, global logistics, fast delivery, empowering your production for greater efficiency. ASEANMACHINE offers free on-site installation and 24/7 technical support, ensuring worry-free operation of your equipment. Carefully selected high-precision, high-efficiency, and high-rigidity machinery and accessories from around the world, meeting the needs of various industries, making production smarter and more efficient. Global logistics coverage, 24/7 quick response, regular equipment maintenance services, providing full support every step of the way. Choose ASEANMACHINE for easy procurement of high-quality machinery and take your business to the next level. Want to know more? Visit us at ASEANMACHINE website.